Okay, gents, as you can see there, I had to divide this question to, it was taking forever for this to load up, and I just lost patience with it. I tried to upload this morning at 9:30, and it was still processing until there 5 minutes ago, so we're just going to plow on with this. The next work in there, lads, then is working from the top of the question down is insurance, okay? Now, if you go to the question here, you can see that in payments you paid insurance, okay, for €4,080. However, at the start of the year, you have 3 months prepaid. If you remember your financial rules, okay, prepaid at the start of the year, you add on. If you have 3 months prepaid at the start of the year and you paid for an insurance premium for an annual premises insurance premium, it was for the full year. Okay, so if it's for the full year, that means now that you're going to have 3 months prepaid at the end of the year. If you can see over here, then on the side note here, lads, okay, I worked out then what it was for 1 month. So 4080 divided by 12 gave me 340. I multiplied it by 3, okay, and that gave me €1,020. So there's your €1,020. This is prepaid at the end here, so it's a current asset. And to work out what our expenses for the year, we will take it away. Okay, if you see your rules are over here, that's for A. Okay, so that gives us 4020 as your expense, which is an admin expense for the year. And then your 1020 can go in as a current asset in your balance sheet. Okay, the next working from the top down, after you see there your 3 months premises insurance prepaid, you can come down and see wages due. Okay, wages again, lads, okay, would be involved in your general expenses. If you don't know, if there is no specific heading for wages, it's always contained in the general expenses. We take down our general expenses from the question, okay, it's in there in cash payments, the second item, €44,280. Okay, we had wages due at the beginning of the year. Due at the beginning of the year, lads, you take away. So we take away that 1560, which gives us 42720 as your admin expense under general expenses for the year. Okay, that was working 6 taken care of. You can come down then, lads. We've already worried about the stock. Okay, that's drawings from purchases, and then a cash, which is a drawings from cash. We can worry about that when we're doing our drawings working. The next paragraph then deals with this loan which Dunican borrowed. So he borrowed a loan of 108,000 on the 1st of the 9th, 2012. We're going to look here at the interest payment. The interest is on the last day of each month at the rate of 5% per annum. So to work out, okay, what interest is due for the full year is 108,000 by 5% for 4 months. Obviously, they got on the 1st of the 9th, so they pay at the end of the 9th, the end of the 10th, the end of the 11th, and the end of the 12th, which is 4 months insurance, which works out to be 1,800. So that is what is due. They have paid, okay, if you go back up to your bank payments, you see there they've paid interest of 1350, which meaning €450 is due at the end of the year. Due at the end of the year, gentlemen, is a current liability. Now in this question here, okay, you can see down at the bottom that 20% of interest payable for the year should be attributed to the private section. So 20% of 1,800 is 360 quid, which means 1440 will be brought into your admin expense or an expense in your P&L account. Okay. In addition to that, then you've got an investment fund that you need to set up. Okay, we can see here the capital sum must be repaid in a lump sum in 2020. And to provide for this, they were going to transfer 720 on the last day of each month. So again, at the end of the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, which is 4 months. Okay, so 4 by 720 is €2,880. And you can see down in the very last item of the question, you also had €15 interest earned by the fund. Okay, this €15 is obviously a gain. Okay, and that will go into your P&L under gains or adding other income. And this 2895 then is going to be a financial asset in your balance sheet. All right. Working on, lads. Okay. The next working I opened up was drawings. Okay. Simply because the next paragraph was based on the drawings. So you can see here, lads, that 25% of furniture, which works out to be 2,100. Okay. And 25% of light and heat used. So which leads me down then to a light and heat section. So I paid €3,240 on light and heat. Okay, again, that's in the bank payment section of the question. Okay, 25% of that is €288. Okay, €288. This is due at the end of the year. Okay, therefore it's a current liability. Oh, excuse me, hold on. And light and heat used. Yeah, 25% of light and heat used. Okay. Sorry, this €288, lads, is what was due at the end of the year. So we must get our full amount used. Okay, so I'll go over that again. So we paid 3,240. There's 288 due at the end of the year, given to you at the end of the question, which is a current liability. Adding those two together, you get 3,528. Okay. Your drawings then is 25% of light and heat used. So that 3,528 is how much you actually used. Okay, your 25% then is €882. You take that from the 3,528 and you get your 2,646. So this is the admin expense. That 882 then can be moved up here into your drawings. Okay, interest we've already worked out was 360. Move that over there, it's 360. Your purchases, gents, was just simply 52 times 90, which is 4,680. And cash was 120 by 52, which is 6,240, which gives you a total of 14,262 of drawings. I realise I'm doing this quickly enough, lads, but this is obviously revision. Okay. That then is all your workings taken care of. A couple of things to note when you actually get into the trading profit loss and balance sheet. So your sales figure came from working 4 in the first part of this workings. Okay, your opening stock in the question. Purchase came from your working. Okay, less your closing stock, you get cost of goods sold. Take it away then from your sales and you get 134,280 as a gross profit. Okay, you bring down your expenses, lads. We had insurance, general expenses, interest, and light and heat. Okay, adding those four together, you get €50,826. Okay, we take that off the 134,280 and you get 83,454. And as I said, add investment income, which was your 15 quid gained. That should really say add investment interest. Okay, that's €15 gained. Add that on, and you get 83,469. That's your new net profit. On to the balance sheet. Okay, goodwill, working one, 10,800. I know none of you have any problem with that. Your premises, be careful here, gents. The 336,000. Okay, was your premise at the start of the year, but do not forget to add in the 93,000. That's when you bought those additional premises with that loan. That'll bring it up to 429,000. Don't forget here that the furniture you bought was 8,400, but you had 2,100 that was to be attributed to the private section, which is a drawing, which gives you 6,300 is how much the furniture was for the actual business. Delivery vans are 17,040 and bank payments, which gives you a total fixed assets of 452,340. Your investments taken from your working 8 lads, 2,895. Add those three figures together and you get 466,035. Current assets, straightforward enough, lads. Go back to the question first of all. Closing stock, 9840. Debtors at the end of the question and 240. Cash at the end of the question. Go back to your workings. You had insurance prepaid. Okay. And your working 3 is that you have a positive bank balance of 62,730, which gives you total current assets of 85,950. Okay. Less your creditors then, falling due within a year. You've got your creditors given to you in the question. Okay, electricity or light and heat due was given to you at the end of the question, and interest due 450 was a working. Okay, add those together, take it away from your current assets, you get your working capital. Okay, you add your working capital then onto your total fixed assets, and you get total net assets to be 533,007. Okay, how will you finance? Well, the loan is your long-term liability of 108,000. You had capital of 354,000. You also capital introduced, lads. Always people get caught out with this one. Your dividends. Do not forget your dividends was a lodgement. Okay? Bank lodgement. The last item on bank lodgement. That is an introduction of cash into the business. So it's an introduction of capital from the owner. You have your P&L reserve, which you got at the end of the trading P&L account. Okay, which gives you 439,269. You then take away your drawings, you get 425,007, add that 108,000 and you get 533,007 to your capital employed, which matches up with your total net assets. Okay, now realise, gents, that I've gone through that quite quickly. Obviously, YouTube video, you can pause this, fast forward, rewind it as you please. Okay, if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or let me know, lads. Alright, give that Edwards question a go tonight, tomorrow, and I'll upload the solution to that tomorrow. Alright, lads. Thank you.